Okay, so swapping it up a little. Baby Octopus. They're just little octopus. They are in sunflower oil, as far as I know. They are ready to eat. I mean, they've been cooked and they've just been here. They've been shipped in from Amazon. Not from the Amazon, by Amazon. Oh, good. Expiration date is 2026, February 14th, Valentine's Day. Important. Must be refrigerated after opening to maintain safety. I would assume they are baby octopuses in sunflower oil. Try the product, plate it, season it with some extra virgin olive oil. Why didn't you just put it in olive oil? You want me to season it in olive oil? Why did you put it in sunflower oil? Alright, let's see how it goes. This was by Squiggly Johansson. He suggested it and bought it for my birthday. I don't like sunflower seed oil. I love octopus though. Oh, that's so slimy. It's so gross. Yeah, this thing is going to get rinsed off. The sunflower seed oil is kind of weird to me. Yeah, this is getting rinsed off. Alright, looks different. It's clean. The skin color just fell off. I grabbed salt. Yeah, but you know what? I'll do half. And a little sour. Oh. Let's see. Octopus, sunflower oil, water, wine vinegar. That is definitely what I'm tasting, the wine vinegar. Sea salt, sugar, dried parsley, dehydrated garlic, citric acid. Also, that's barley. GDL. I can't say that. Sodium benzoate. A little bit of salt. Butter with the salt. Not bad. I think this would go really good with rice. But yeah, I would recommend not getting this. I would recommend just going to like an Italian restaurant and getting an octopus. Or like Japanese restaurants with octopus. I would not recommend this one because now that I'm looking at it, it is poorly packaged. It's extremely poorly packaged. And it's like, look here, look at this thing. There's no threading on the jar. It's just those little ridges. And I don't like sesame seed oil. Yet again, my first complaint. Why are you suggesting I use olive oil when you sent it in sunflower seed oil? Once you get it off, it's fine. But rinsing it is definitely necessary to get that sunflower seed oil. Sunflower seed oil is just weird to me. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. But Not recommending it. I recommend somebody local. Just go to like I said, Italian restaurant, Japanese restaurant, sushi, octopus sushi, premium, love it. Squid sushi, premium, love it. I keep saying premium. I've been stuck saying that word for so long. It's very premium. I got to bring back Boss and what's that other one? I don't know, but it's pretty Boss. It's good. There are better ways to get it, and you don't have to worry about shipping or it coming in cracked or leaking everywhere, because the box was pretty oily and greasy when it showed up. So don't order food over Amazon in general. Just go to the grocery store or like get delivery from your local grocery store if it's available. HEB does it. It's amazing. Everyone should do it. But yeah, this has been Stark Raving Random Food Reviews. Meh. Could be better. Until next time, which will be in the same shirt with a beer.
Stark Raving!